Hello there, how are you doing? Today I will be using these three eyeshadow palettes. These three by Maybelline. Yes, three eyeshadow palettes by Maybelline. Yeah, I know. Okay, first of all, I already primed my eyelid with concealer, like always. And I will be using this shade. And I will be layering that so it can show a bit because it's kind of almost my skin tone. As you can see, this one is more than my skin tone because it's more cool undertone. This is more warm, but can you see? You cannot really see it when I put it on my eyes. So I will be building this shade a tiny bit. I don't know if you can see it. I want you to see it as a transition shade and part of the crease, of course. I will move to this eyeshadow palette, just one shade, will be this shade here. To create that some sort of sunset effect that I have, I will just put it right in the crease. Pick the first shade. You can excel this same thing with this shade, but barely there. Barely. Because this shade is close. Not quite, but close. Next, I will pick another brush and I will place this shade that is not the same as this one here on the top, but may work. I will place this in the outer part of the lid. As I have some sort of a hooded eyes, I will put and place the shade a tiny bit in the crease so you can see it when I have my eyes open. You should follow your own eye shape. With a wet brush, I will pick this shade here. That is a Duochrome. It has shimmer. It has glitter in it. It's very flaky, but it's a Duochrome that is a pearl base with a pink shift. So I will pick with a brush, just wet it and press. I will pick a tiny bit more, but I won't wet the brush again. Just I will complete my face, and see you in a bit. And well, before the final look, I will show you, I use another shades from these two palettes. Of course, this shade, Cherry on Top, I will put it at the bottom, just connecting. So and from this eyeshadow palette, I will use this shade here to diffuse it or blend it. There we go. I already put this, the waterline and the Essence Princess Lash Mascara. So, well, this is the eye look of today. What do you think? This is cool, this is not. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. That actually, with this, I will be filming the intro of a new series. So stay tuned, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.